All right. In the last video, we created this HTML file, right? So I'll just save that now, and so this let's go back to the slide. Yeah. So this is just the same thing as you can see. Yeah. So I'm going to zoom this out a bit so you can see clearly and properly. I think it's too big. Let me reduce it. Yeah, this is okay. So as you can see, this is just the basic setup, right? So we're going to explain all of this in this class now. So first of all, the first line here, which is this doc type, let's what does it mean? It describes the version of HTML, the version that HTML is written in, so the browser can interpret the text that follows. So this thing it just tells you that this is HTML, right? And the version, I think some usually have the type of HTML, but it's just basic. So when your browser sees this stock type and this, it will know the type of file that it's dealing with. So your browser can interpret and run it, and yeah, that this is an HTML file. So yeah, it's just like an indicator, right? So the next thing, there's HTML, which is this, right? So after your doc type, the next thing is your HTML tag. I think I need to let's move this in so it's a tally. Yeah, it's tallies now. So HTML. So what's HTML? It lets the browser know that it's reading an HTML code, right? So similar to doc type, which tells you the version. HTML putting everything, as you can see, it's inside the HTML tag. What this is doing is telling the browser that this is not a CSS file, or this is an HTML file. So when the browser sees this HTML tag, it interprets this as HTML, and yeah, that's what you get to see on your browser. So the next thing here is the head section. This contains information about the page, such as titles, meta tags, and where to place your CSS file. So this head is very important. Immediately is the first stuff inside the HTML tags. So everything inside HTML. So the first thing on top is your head, and head has some meta tags, as you can see. So UTF-8, right? Compatibility and all of this. All these are meta tags. Viewports. Yeah, I think this has to do with responsiveness and all that. Yeah, also your title. So I think this is where you can name your stuff. Now if we go back here, you can see here, so this title is your definition of HTML, probably what you want to name your page. That's what will be at the top of your page. So I think that's that for that. Let's just run through all of them. Body. Now this head tag is major, then body is also major. Inside head tag there are all of these meta tags and title. So I can name this side also. So let me rename this side also. Let me just call it training so it can tally with the name of this side also, training. So this is the title of this. So let me save. All right. Okay, so the next thing here is the body section, which is what you can see here, which is empty right now. So what does it do? It contains everything that's viewable in the browser. For example, the text seen here is contained in the HTML tag, is contained in the body tags. So this head tag is not really shown on your screen. It will be on top of this title will be on top of your page, right? But this body is everything you see on your screen. Anything you want to design, anything you want to structure, your nav bar, your body, your sidebar, or your button, everything will be done inside of this body tags. Then H1 is the text visible, is a visible heading of a page. sorry. So as you can see here, okay, there's no h1 here. So h1 is a tag. We are going to go more into tags in upper videos. I'm going to explain it, how it works. P tag is also a paragraph tag. Yeah, it's commonly used also. So yeah, that's just a overview of all of this that we've done, of what all of this means, right? So basically inside the HTML tag, we just have two major tags, which is the head, yeah, and the body. So just put that in your mind. So next we are going to go deeper into all of these things and explain all of these h tags and how to use them. So see you in the next video.